Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a very simple salt and pepper pan-fried tofu. I understand to some of you the tofu has some acquired taste and you may not be a big fan of tofu, but I hope you give this recipe a try. And let me show you the simple ingredients. I have 1 pack of tofu. This is a firm tofu, or you can use extra firm tofu. It's better for pan fry. And this is 19 ounces. It's a bigger pack. Let's say we may not use the whole thing. And first, let's cut our aromatics. I have some green onions, always separate the white from green part. And I have 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to just chop them. So our garlic roughly chopped. And I have 1 serrano pepper. You can use bell pepper if you don't want any heat. You just need half. Save the other half. Wow, you can smell the spiciness. Just cut into pieces, small pieces. That. And I have some Thai chili peppers just for color. You can always freeze them too. It's still frozen. That's okay. By the time we cook it, it'll be fine, ready to go. Now let's slice the tofu. That's water. Now this one's already cut into 4 pieces. Now we just slice into about this thick, then into squares like this, small pieces. I'm continue slicing. Last piece into squares like that. Now we just need the paper towels. Really press them to get rid of the water. Okay, next we're going to coat the tofu. Now let's add some cornstarch. You can also use a potato starch. Should be enough. And now let's add salt. Some salt. Maybe about a teaspoon. And here's a pepper, black pepper. Oh, to your own taste. I like a lot of pepper. That's good. And mix. Okay, now we'll coat our tofu. It's like this. Doesn't need to be perfect. That's it. shake. Here's the last few pieces. Shake. Here we go. We're ready to pan fry. I'm heating up the pan to high and add some oil. And use avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Wait till the oil is hot. Now let's add our tofu. That should be enough. We just cook about 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll flip. About 2 minutes, we can flip them. Ooh, it's hot. Come on. Nice. Gonna cook about another 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, this batch is done. We take it out. We're going to do the second batch. Just add a little bit more oil. And here's our second batch. After a few minutes, our second batch is ready. Now turn the heat to medium. Add a little bit more oil. And we're going to saute our aromatics. Here's the white part of green onions, garlic, peppers, serrano pepper and chili pepper. To add more flavor. After about a minute, we add the tofu back. Give it a stir. Now we finish with green onions. And our salt and pepper tofu is ready. Looking good.
Looks
Smells great. I always like an extra black pepper. Why not, right?
Ah,
Ready to try?
I'm ready. Can't wait. It smells so good. The peppers.
See, crunchy. Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Good.
Wow.
Salt, pepper.
That's so good. So crispy.
It's a little bit of cornstarch to really make it crispy outside. Can hear this, right? I love that.
It's great.
Are you also heating the pan? The pan, the plate,
Peppers.
testing out.
This is great.
Please try it. You can find the tofu anywhere, right? Or the grocery stores. And the ingredients are very simple. Like I said, I give tofu a try. Really tasty. Crispy. If you like this video, please give us thumbs
Thumbs up.
share, and
subscribe.
subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.